Hello guys, now in this video I'm going to show you how you can exit from full screen view on Filmora video editor. So if you are editing and all of a sudden the project you are editing has just filled your computer, it is pretty much simple to restore it back to its normal size. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, to do so, just hover down here and you'll see we have a timeline here of your video that you are editing. So to exit full screen, just go ahead and go to the right hand corner here and you'll see this icon. If you click on it, now you can see you have restored your window pane view to normal. So that's how you can exit full screen view on Filmora video editor. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.